Welcome to the future, where storytelling isn't just about having a knack for weaving words together, it's about having the right AI to help you do it. Imagine having a robot buddy who gets you no more staring at the screen waiting for that one brilliant idea to strike. These AI tools are like the Swiss Army knives of storytelling, ready to help you with everything from brainstorming your next bestseller to giving your characters some much-needed sass. So, let's dive into the top free AI tools every storyteller in 2025 should know. 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Let's face it, sometimes we need help. Whether it's drafting an entire novel or simply figuring out what comes next in the plot, ChatGPT is like that friend who always has the perfect thing to say and actually knows the difference between there, and there. It's not just about creating text, it's about creating compelling text. Want to brainstorm character names? Done. Need dialogue that feels more natural than your awkward family dinners? Easy. Want your villain to sound more sinister than the Wi-Fi cutting out during a Netflix binge? We got you. ChatGPT is free, although, like that free gym membership you never use, it does have some usage limits. But don't worry, you'll have plenty of time to come up with your next masterpiece. If you've never tried this, it's time to get a new writing partner who won't steal your snacks. 2nd Gemini by Google DeepMind. Okay, if you've always dreamed of writing children's books, Gemini is your ticket to the moon, literally. This AI tool doesn't just write stories, it illustrates them too. Imagine creating a picture book where the pages come to life in vibrant, AI-generated art. Oh, and it also does audio overviews. So if you're ever feeling lazy, hey, we've all been there, you can get your story turned into a podcast-style summary. While the tool is free in its basic form, you might need to pay for the full experience, but hey, investing in art for your story is totally a writer's tax-deductible expense, right? If you're into blending storytelling and technology like peanut butter and jelly, Gemini will be your new best friend. 3. Claude by Anthropic. Looking for an AI with a touch of wit and charm? Meet Claude, the AI that's great at banter. Sure, ChatGPT's got the basics covered, but Claude, he's all about context. And if your story needs some fine-tuned dialogue with the perfect amount of sass, Claude's your go-to. Imagine writing a thriller where your characters are constantly one-upping each other with zingers. Not only does Claude generate realistic dialogue, but it can keep your conversations flowing. Claude's free tier is like a warm, welcoming coffee shop that hands you a latte and a great idea. After that, you might need a paid plan, but let's face it, good writing requires good coffee. Grab this one if you're serious about making your characters sound like real people, not robots. Court pseudo-write. Writer's block is real, and it's nasty. But guess what? Pseudo-write is here to kick it to the curb. Pseudo-write is the AI that acts as a creative writing coach, ready to inspire you when you're stuck on page 27 and your mind is as empty as a coffee cup after a Monday morning. From generating plot ideas to pushing you past the dreaded writer's block, Pseudo-write is like having a brainstorming session with a super creative, no-nonsense editor who doesn't care if you're in your pajamas at 2 p.m. And the best part? You can try it for free though. Like all good things, it eventually requires a subscription. But when it helps you finish that novel you've been working on for 6 years, you'll agree it was totally worth it. 5th Runway ML. Want to create videos to go along with your stories? Runway ML turns anyone into a multimedia mogul, no fancy degree required. Whether it's generating images from your text or editing videos like a pro, Runway ML has everything you need. Say goodbye to stock photos and hello to your own AI-created visuals that actually match the tone of your story. Plus, it's so easy to use, you'll feel like the Spielberg of the AI world. Runway ML offers a free tier, but you might hit some limits depending on how often you need to use it. So, if you're planning to launch your YouTube series or indie film, you might need to step up to the paid version, but hey, a small price to pay to create your cinematic masterpiece. 6th Novel AI. Ever wanted to write like your favorite author but didn't have the time to reread every one of their books? Novel A. I might just be the solution to your problem. It's designed to help you generate detailed, immersive storylines, world building, and character development with just a few prompts. The writing feels personalized, which is why it's a great choice for novelists looking for that extra push without having to wait for inspiration to strike. Novel AI has a free trial to get you started, but eventually, you'll need to pay if you want access to the full suite of features. Still, considering how much time it saves you, you might find it well worth the investment. If you're looking for the literary equivalent of a turbocharger for your writing, Novel AI's here to help. 7th, Pre-Post SEO AI Story Generator. Sometimes you just need to get a story out there quickly. Pre-Post SEO's AI Story Generator does exactly that. You choose your story type, and bam, the AI serves you a narrative faster than you can say word count. If you're in a hurry or need to crank out a story before your deadline, this is your go-to tool. It's free, simple, and doesn't require any sign-up, just type and go. Sure, it's not the most complex tool out there, but if you need a little extra inspiration or a rough draft to build upon, Pre-Post SEO has your back. It's like the AI version of a first draft, raw, ready, and waiting for you to turn it into something amazing. 8. Summarizer.org AI Story Generator. What's better than a good story with unexpected twists and turns? A twisted story, and Summarizer.org can help you create one. It doesn't just generate ordinary plots, it helps you craft multi-layered stories with complex characters and surprising plot twists. Whether you're writing a mystery or a drama, this tool ensures your narrative never gets predictable. Best of all, it's free and doesn't require any login. That's right, 0 obstacles between you and your next mind-bending plot twist. 9. Rewording Tools Story Generator. Not every story needs to be a 500-page epic. Sometimes you just need a quick, punchy narrative to convey your idea. That's where Rewording Tools Story Generator comes in. It lets you customize the length and creativity of your story, making it perfect for short stories or even microfiction. 10. Story Generator. Flash fiction? Check. Short and sweet stories that pack a punch? Check. Story Generator is your go-to AI tool for all things brief, brilliant, and impactful. It runs on cloud computing, so it's fast and efficient. With unlimited attempts, you'll never have to worry about running out of ideas. It's free to use, and no account is required. Just start creating and let your creativity flow. So, what are you waiting for? Fire up your favorite tool and start writing your next masterpiece might be just a few clicks away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on mastering storytelling with AI. Drop a comment below about which tool you're most excited to try, and I'll see you in the next one.